didn't start this journey with success. I started it with curiosity. I didn't have a mentor. I had time, and I had this quiet hunger inside me that said, there has to be another way. I didn't have a course, no real skills, just trying. I played with free tools, made accounts, watched tutorials. At that point, I wasn't even trying to make money. I was trying to make sense of what was possible. Like many people, I used to watch others talk about making money online. $1,000 days, $10,000 months. I'd hear it, but deep down I didn't really believe it was for me. It felt distant, not fake, just far away, not that weak either. But something had shifted in me, like something other people could do, but I was still figuring myself out. Wait, I made this. I could sell this. But the most important milestone is the one where you decide not to quit, even when nothing is working yet. I haven't made $1,000 online yet, but I know I will. I'm not hoping. I'm learning. I'm doing. And I'm being patient. People do this. I made landing pages that no one clicked. I wrote captions that got 3 likes. I created digital products that no one saw. The one that whispered, "It's possible for you too." And honestly, it was frustrating. Not life-seeking, but soul confirming. That caption you're writing, that product idea you're sketching out but haven't posted yet, it's building you. So I started small, really small. That your slow steps are strong. I remember opening a Canva account to design something. The first real moment I remember, the one that changed everything, wasn't a sale. It wasn't $1 in my account. You're already further than you think. It was this moment where I created something, a design, a caption, a product mock-up, and I stopped and thought, that takes a kind of motivation that isn't loud, but deeply rooted. That moment planted the seed. No money came in that day. I went from doubting this whole space to believing I had a shot. You're not just building a business, you're rebuilding your self-belief. I started exploring affiliate marketing, but I kept going because something in me had already flipped. What changed was not the results. It was my mindset. When you're starting from zero, you're trying to grow in a place where no one's clapping for you yet. That takes emotional strength. That takes patience. Eventually, I did make a few dollars. A small affiliate commission here, a gig there. It told me, this is real, and if I keep going, I'll get better. We love to glorify the $1,000 milestone, and it's amazing when it happens. I want to be honest with you, because now I'm building momentum. That's why I created this video. Not to show off a success story, but to document the mindset shift, the belief that grew quietly. If you're in that phase where you're experimenting, watching, creating quietly behind the scenes, I see you, and I promise you, that work is not wasted. That free tool you're learning, the first real win isn't the money. It's believing that your effort is valid, that your dream isn't delusional. And when you believe that, the results will come quietly, then all at once. You may not have your $1,000 moment yet, but if you're rebuilding with intention and integrity, trust me, this is just the beginning.